Wait, okay, go.
Oh, hey.
Wait, is that Miss Pry?
Yes, it is.
Miss Pry sauce. Okay, alright. Okay, start.
Alright. So,
Yes.
this is the Presto WOK.
Walk.
It ranges from like $55 to like $70. It's like 1,500 watts.
Nice.
It's a lot of power.
Nice, dude.
Goes from like 17 by 14 by 10. Lasts a whole year. Go.
This is Brazil WOK. It's $85 to $100. It has 1,500 watts of power, and it can hold up to 6 quarts of oil. It's pretty good, and it lasts a year.
Go for it.
Okay. This is the Aroma WOK. I don't know why aroma. Okay. The range of price is from around 35 to 50 bucks. You know, it's decent. It can take up to 5 quarts of oil. That's the capacity, and plus has so much power that it heats oil in 3 minutes, and has a